Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix overheating problem in your Redmi smartphone. How to fix it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your security and close all apps running in the background. Swipe down like this. And here you can see there is a settings. Click on settings, and here it is a battery option. Click on battery, click on additional features, and here you can see scenarios. You have to enable this sleep mode while you are watching your phone or while you are sleeping. To save battery, MIUI will close background apps, restrict Bluetooth, GPS, mobile data and Wi-Fi usage, and will not light up the screen for notification while you are sleeping at night. You can enable at the night, it will not affect on your battery and it will fix your overheating problem also. Then the second step is go to settings of your phone, swipe down, here it is apps, click on manage apps and search here system like this, and here you have to catch all of these system settings. You can see Android system web view and press Android system intelligence. You have to just do this and then you have to just press back and click on any one of them and click on data usage like this. Click on data usage this, and here when you it is not showing the data, but when you click on it, it will show a background data. You can disable the background data of a particular app also. It will also help to increase your battery life also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.